Hi everyone, it's Holly here. Welcome back to my channel. And today, I realized I haven't done a video on shapewear yet, and it's something that I use as a staple in my wardrobe, in my life, and I have for so long that I want to share with you everything I know about the subject, basically, and the products and the brands that I find I use the most. The journey all started off with Amazon shapewear. So first off, Kim Kardashian with Skims, she's on to something with shapewear, and I mean, you probably already know how important shapewear is when you're wearing clothes. So I believe it's worth the investment because it just makes your clothes look 10 times, 100 times better, and then therefore making you feel 100 times more confident. That's what we're all about. The first couple things I've purchased were on Amazon. I purchased tons of these sticky bras. These are amazing to have, but they're not all made the same, is what I kind of learned from ordering random ones on Amazon. I will try my best to leave the ones I got recently on Amazon, if I can find the specific one, because it really does matter what brand and kind you get, because I do find they have different thickness, different widths. They're all kind of the same amount of stick. The colors are a little bit different, although that's not a huge issue for me. It's more the width and the thickness. Sometimes it's just a weird shape. And not all of these are gonna fit perfectly on everyone else, but I love to wear these. These I need in my wardrobe. If I don't have one, I will order 10, because there's always an event, something that comes up, and if I don't have a bra like this, like I literally can't wear that outfit. So I love to wear this. It gives you kind of a lift and a push up and some oomph. Sometimes I wear it with a corset just to kind of get that lift. Sometimes it's just functionally the only thing that makes sense. So with a strapless dress, something backless, and you need that structure and shape in front, these are amazing for that as well. I have these in my lingerie shapewear drawer. I've tried a lot of things. The first kind of body suit I purchased from Amazon, again, I will try and find it. I think the brand is on here, in Lyric. I really like this one. I know Skims has very similar ones to this. It's just like a classic undergarment shapewear type item. It has clasps on the bottom. It had a full bikini back, but I ended up cutting it into a thong because I wanted to wear it with a dress that was figure hugging, and I don't want any lines. So I had to cut it, but you can definitely purchase ones that don't have a bikini bottom so that you can't see it. Just cinches you in so you look hourglass, everything's tight. You go out for dinner and you like eat too much of the bread basket, you're not going to be too worried that you're going to be bloated and puffed out. It holds you in. So for date night, girls night, especially date night, that's what I wore it for. This is amazing, and it has adjustable straps. A step from that, I wanted to get a pair of underwear that was control top, like kind of hugged your stomach in so it's a nice shape, and to hide the bloating, because that's a huge thing for me when I'm wearing a dress. Like I sometimes am just bloated, and I don't want that to look how it does in dresses, so I just make sure when I wear a dress like that, I wear something like this, because we just don't have time for that, and I don't want to worry about what I'm eating. This one is good. It's very uncomfortable. It's from Amazon, and it's, I mean, it doesn't look super hot, does it? But it does the job. I got this Skims pair, which is cuter. It's similar to that one with boning, but this one is just obviously very thin and light weight. It's a lot more comfortable to wear and a lot lighter in the summer. So this is a great one to have because it has a thong built in, and it is a bit control top. It just sits right on your waist and gives you that hourglass look. So I highly recommend these. I did get these from Skims as well. Same fabric as the nude one, and they're more of a boy short. These are so comfy. I love them so much. So when I want a little bit of compression and a little bit of holding in, if I wear a short skirt or dress, having a pair of shorts, a light pair of shorts like this that just sit at your waist in the most comfortable, flattering spot is something we all need. So I got extra small in these as well. I end up wearing these a lot. The first thing I got, I think I got it in a PR package. Old school brand, Hollywood Fashion Secrets, silicone like pasties, basically, which we all need. These need to go in the garbage because I've used them so much. You're not supposed to use them that long. The amount of times I use this, especially in the summer, it's such a staple. I can't even imagine someone not owning these, but I wanted to upgrade and get a better version, basically. So last summer I did some scouring, and then I found CAKES Body. I'm always a researcher. The first thing I ordered from them, I wanted to replace those guys, but then I came across and saw that they not only have the sticky pasties, they have ones that other brands don't have or don't have yet. They have reusable, like lifetime reusable silicone pasties. So I'm like, that's amazing. These will last me like forever then. These are silicone pasties. It sticks to the heat of your skin and sticks like a pasty would. You have to wear something form-fitting like workout wear, bikinis you can wear it with, something tight like what I'm wearing today, and it will stay put. How thick it is in the middle and then how it tapers out to the side, that is kind of what makes worth the money and worth investing in, because it really makes a difference in how natural it looks. They do go on sale. I do have a discount code as well for these. This is the next kind of pair that I looked into. This is how I actually found the brand, because not a lot of brands have a triangle pasty. So obviously this is what's made for a bikini. How perfect, like a string bikini. Just give you that natural, beautiful look. They stay put all day. You can use them forever because these don't have that sticky coating. They just adhere to your skin, your natural body heat, as long as you have something form-fitting. But the last pasties I have obviously are the sticky ones. Really is where it all began, but with a different pair. But these are the kind of best ones you can get. Again, they're just thoughtfully made. The details do matter in these. Trust me, I've tried all of them from Amazon up. They're the sticky ones, which you do need sometimes. Like when you wear a flowy backless tank top, you're gonna need to wear these. You can't wear those silicone ones because they will just come right off. I do have a discount code for the CAKES brand for anything on the CAKES website, so I will leave that down below. I will leave links for all the Skims items I have and recommend, as well as the Amazon items. This is the corset I have, which is one of the more recent launches from CAKES Body. I had to have it. I love the brown. Brown's so flattering. Obviously black is great too, but I think with blonde hair, brown's just really nice. Has the cups. It's a little tricky to get into. You have to step into it, and then it has ties in the back, which I'll show you, and then you can cinch yourself up. But as you can see, as I'm sitting here, it makes you, like, your hourglass shape looks crazy. It looks like Marie Antoinette. Like, it makes your waist look like that. I actually don't own anything that cinches the waist in like an hourglass like this. That tightens you in, like you grab these straps and go like this. I think it was a collaboration with someone through CAKES Body, but I will leave a link for this corset as well, and you can get a discount with it with my code as well. I think this is CAKES' most recent product, but actually this is the first kind of product I purchased. I think it was Boob Tape was the brand, which is basically just like kinesiology tape, I think, to wear basically as a pasty, but it was tape to wear under challenging necklines to kind of give you a lift. So CAKES' latest product is just that. CAKES Tape it's called, and it's a silicone boob tape basically. So I'll share what I use these for, and I'll share why I like this. It's obviously so much better than kinesiology tape, because kinesiology tape, that's what it will rip your skin off. Just sounds horrible for using it for a bra, but it's true. It's just a little more specialized for what you might be wearing. So different necklines, very special necklines that you need a very tailored look, or if you just are more comfortable with something like this, because it doesn't have like a thickness or padding to it. It's just a very thin tape where you will have no sign of it. And it can be a little bit more comfortable if it's done right. So there's various sizes that come in this roll. So it's basically saying, like, if you have a plunge neckline, you can tape yourself like this, one on each side. There's a shorter one. Put a couple, depending on where you want the lift. It's very specialized. There's 3 different lengths in here. Nicest boob tape I've honestly ever seen. The stuff I was using was crazy. My skin would be like red and raw for days. I will not recommend that right now. That is the process of trial and error and finding things that work. But this is an amazing option too. It's kind of nice to have more on hand if you have a special occasion, or if you wear a lot of dresses. If you need a bit more lift in a certain kind of bra, a little more support, specialized support, this is probably a little bit better for you than those stick-up cup bras, because that's kind of just like one solution for one thing, but this can do a multitude of things. So I wanted to share that as well because I've never tried a product like this. I feel like this is a very innovative product, the newest launch from Cakes Body. I think it's been very in demand for obvious reasons. That is my video today on shapewear. I hope you enjoyed it and found it super useful. I shared all my secrets I've accumulated through the years. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it down below and follow me here at holl_ward. I post every single week here on YouTube, and I post shorts every other day to keep you up on what I'm doing, what I'm wearing, life updates, all the above. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and TikTok and follow me at the same handle over there at holl_ward. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.